Okay, so for today's lesson, we are looking at the joining of the letter E. So we've got we. Then we've got week. And the kick and kiss should go from the bottom line to the top. So it should be a much taller letter than the others. Web. Went. Wept. Have a look at your best ones. Have a go.